Hi family, welcome back. Let's make light soup the Ghana way. To start off, I am going to be grinding my green chilies, onions, garlic, ginger, and habanero pepper. This is what I'll be using to season my meat, okay? Now let's get into seasoning the meat. Every season that I use will be in the description box, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, this is me seasoning my meat. I am going to be using all of these delicious seasonings as well as the grinded ingredients we used earlier on. So stick and stay family, do not go anywhere. Make sure you're stirring right after you season your meat. Now for this recipe, I use goat meat and beef. I got this meat from the halal market, so you could get this from any store, okay? Either the African market or the halal. But yeah. Listen, you know Cooking with Addie doesn't waste ingredients. So we're gonna wash our sanka and then pour the water in our meat. Add some chopped onions, okay? Add those onions because your meat is gonna taste better with it. So yeah, stir and then make sure that you cover it right after stirring and let the meat cook, okay? Let this deliciousness take its time to cook for about 30 minutes. Now after 30 minutes, I went ahead to put in the veggies that I will be grinding and pouring into our soup. So listen, I love garden eggs, but today I substituted them with some carrots. Now, you too try this at home and you're gonna thank me, okay? Because your soup will be hitting the right spots. So yeah, let this boil together with the meat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, go ahead and take your veggies out. Now family, I'm starting to love the Sankofa way, so I'm not going to be blending this. I will be using my magic hands. So you could use a blender, that's okay. But Cooking with Addie, we're using an asanka. After taking those veggies out, I diluted a small can of tomato paste and I went ahead to pour into the soup. Stir everything together and cover and allow this meat to simmer for about 20 minutes. I told you earlier on that we're using our magic hands. You will be surprised to see what your hands can do. Right after grinding, we're gonna strain our veggies into the soup, okay? Now, for this particular recipe, I used 3 cups of water. I poured all of this water into my asanka because that was what contained our ingredients, and I poured it right back into a strainer. Now make sure you're straining everything, okay? Strain. Make sure there's no water left from those veggies, okay? And let all of that juices pour into the soup. Yeah. And now whatever that is left, your shaft or whatever, please throw it away. I strain my veggies because I do not want the shaft in my soup. But you could go ahead and just pour it into your soup without straining, okay? After all this, cover your pot and let it cook for 20 minutes. Once you see your soup boiling profusely, please open it halfway. And like I said, I was eating fufu with this, so I went ahead to start my fufu. Now stir until you get to this texture. And now from there, you're gonna drive this fufu. Listen, driving fufu is a whole arm workout. Hey, baby, you know, sunny now, yeah, but it is worth it at the end. After drying for about 5 minutes, add some hot water and bring it to a boil. After your fufu absorbs the water, go back to driving and do this for 3 minutes, okay? And your fufu is ready to be dished out. I dished my fufu in an asanka, okay? And then I kneaded it into the shape that I wanted. At this point, my soup was also ready, and so you know what time it is. It is time to dish my food. Cooking with Addie chapter 1 verse 1 says that he that suffereth is the one that what? Eateth. I'm dishing myself my food so I could dig in. Family. Aduane dear, I wish you were here with me on this wonderful Sunday. I'm pairing this with some malt. And as always, if you've been able to watch this far, you're the real MVP. Cheers, family, and I'll see you on another cooking recipe. Bye, family.